this is the FIFA controller. Then at the bottom we've got a few wires to connect it and plug it in. I could also use this as a stand. You could also use this as a stand if you wanted to. That's what I might do. But that's pretty much it. It's not connected to anything.